How to leave a Life 360 circle. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Life 360 application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then go to the circle that you want to leave. Now to go to the circle, all you have to go is tap on the search icon like button on the top. So just tap on the circle that you want to leave. After that, tap on the gear icon which is beside that circle. Then tap on the circle management, which is the second option. Then scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of leave circle. So just tap on leave circle and it will give a little pop-up that you no longer see or share locations with the circle, and if you really want to leave, so just tap on yes, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.